Most ChatGPT cold emails sound robotic because the prompt is lazy. Here is how to turn a bad AI draft into a short sales email that sounds human. Bad prompt: write me a cold email to a VP of sales. That is too vague, so ChatGPT guesses. The result usually sounds like this. I hope this email finds you well. We provide innovative solutions to help businesses optimize performance. Nobody wants that. It fails because ChatGPT does not know the trigger, the likely problem, your offer, the tone, or the one question you want answered. Give it role, context, rules, and outcome. That is the difference between generic AI copy and a usable first draft. Use this prompt. Act like a B2B sales email coach. Write a cold email under 100 words using this trigger, this likely problem, and this offer. Use plain language, no hype. End with one simple question. Now the draft is closer, but you still have to edit it. AI gives you the starting point, not the send button. Edit 3 things. Make the first line specific, delete buzzwords, and make the question easy to answer. Final version. Saw your team is hiring SDRs. When teams grow quickly, ramp time and message consistency usually get harder to manage. Are you already working on that, or is it still a back burner issue? Remove phrases like game-changing, revolutionary, I hope this finds you well, and would love to jump on a call. Better cold emails come from better inputs. Trigger, problem, offer, plain language, and one easy question. If you want more prompts like this, grab my free guide, 25 AI prompts every sales rep should steal.